Huh. It's pretty wicked. There's another one that's kind of doing the little swirly thing over back here. See how it's going up and down and up and down?
Yeah, this one's definitely
wow.
a tornado.
Look how low that's getting.
Yeah, go tell the kids to head to the basement, and we'll be ready to go.
Oh, wow, that is a tornado. Look.
Yeah, go tell them.
All right, go down to the basement. Can you see it?
It's like right there.
Oh, behind that tree?
Hey, look at that thing start to swirl on the front side. Right there. Just right by the tree. Look at that house.
You think that's it?
Yeah, watch it
I
swirl.
think it's on the other side.
Look at the back side.
Oh, I see it. It's over a little further then. Okay.